We can add more functionality to our Google Sheets by using these little smart chips in here. So we see smart chips here. We can use people, file, calendar, events, place, and finance. So that's a location, likely to be these three that you're going to be using. So if we click on people, we can just click on my name here, for example, and it's inserted me into here, and that would give me, that would assign that work to me. You can also, let's come back to here, insert a smart chip, a file. So this will load up a file for you. Let's just say I wanted to click on this file here and enter, and now I've got an access to that Digitech file within my document here. But there's another way you can access these chips really quickly. If you just type in @ you've got some options here. So let's say, for example, we wanted to add in today's date, enter. Let's do it again, @ come down to here. You can add your own drop downs. So come down here and you can make your own drop down, whatever you want to do. So the @ function in a key allows all these options here for you to use inside your smart chips options.